Welcome, little adventurers. Get ready for a wild safari where we'll guess some amazing animal sounds. Who makes this sound? Oh, is it a cute kitty? It's a lion, the king of the jungle. Who is this? What massive creature could it be? A mouse? It's an elephant, so big and strong. Who makes this chattering sound? A parrot? It's a monkey, so playful. Who is slithering and hissing? A worm. It's a snake. Watch out. Thanks for playing Guess the Animal Sound. What animal should we guess next time?